Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and monetize Google News video using AI. So if you are a student, if you're a housewife, if you're a job holder, and if you are looking for a extra money, like if you want to build your side hustle business, so this video for you. We empower you with the latest tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel and make money online. Today we are diving into the how you can leverage AI tools to create engaging videos from Google News articles and monetize them on YouTube. So let's get started. If you are a beginner and if you have a zero knowledge and you don't know how to create AI videos, so don't worry at all. I will show you a step-by-step process where you will learn each and every step how we can create AI video, how we can find the Google News, and finally how we can upload into our YouTube channel. First of all, if you are really dedicated about making money on online, so YouTube is the best platform where you can make money different ways. The number one ways is Google AdSense. That's when you upload your videos and then finally you get monetized, then you can make money. So definitely you have to upload videos. Either you can create AI videos or yourself videos. It doesn't matter. So I believe you got it my point. That's mean we need a YouTube channel. So first thing first, you have to create a YouTube channel. It's pretty simple. You can use your mobile phone. Also you can use your computer, laptop. So create your YouTube channel and set up everything as much as you can and follow different tutorials you can find on YouTube also. Okay, so our first step is done. And the second step is we have to find the Google News. So for this instance, you can search Google News and you will find this page like worldwide most trending news and different kind of magazines and the newspaper over here, and those are the most popular newspaper worldwide. So also you can find your topics. So if you have any specific topics like business, also digital currency like cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, also the personal finance and robotics and many things. Okay, esports and film and industry, and also you can find esports and Hollywood of films. Okay, so here you can see you will find the US, worldwide, local, business, technology, entertainment, esports, science, health. Alright guys, so I'm a tech lover, so we are going to select technology. So let's select on the top bar technology, and under technology you will find latest mobile, gadgets, internet, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, computing and many more. And I'm going to find interesting news. Alright, so I think, and I'm going to open the first one. Futurama's new season struggle to make NFTs and AI funny. Okay, so open the news. Our second step is done. That's mean we have just find our news. So finally we have got our news article. Okay, that's mean we want to create AI videos on this article. And the third step is we have to create AI video. All right, so for this we are going to use InVideo.ai. So very popular tools. I know you all of you know the tools InVideo AI. So if you don't know, please create an account using your Gmail account or your email address. Okay, it's pretty simple, very simple. So this is the dashboard InVideo AI. It's a model version 2. All right, and this is the option where you can write or give instruction for your article, and also you can find the workflows and plugins. Also you can create YouTube explainer video, script to video, YouTube shorts, and click on explore all, and you will find another option, news video. So click on news video. All right, so news video, create a prompt. So create a news video about, so you can write it your own. So you can create a news video as we want to create a AI video using our article. Okay, so let's copy the article, and then here you can see search the news and also check. So it's an option where you can put your URL. That's mean your article or news URL. Okay, and some settings over there. You can choose any female or male voice, also different kind of accent. Okay, add any subtitle, click on that and you will find different kind of effect. Okay, so add both subtitle and popping. Okay, I stock and use YouTube audio library only. So this section is really important because if you use different audio and then the chances is very high we can get a copyright strike. So that's why. Okay, alright guys, so still now it's invisible. That's mean we can't continue. So why this happening? That's mean you have to write something over here. So just copy the title, that's been the news title, and then paste it here. Alright, so let's click on continue. So everything is okay. It's our URL, that's been news URL, and the topic about and the some settings over there. So let's click on continue. Alright, and let's click on generate video. In video AI analyzed our content and then finalize our title, and also they are summarized our news article. So ahead we go some settings over there like audience, looks and feel and platform. So keep as it is, also you can change, no problem. So click on continue, and finally our video is producing. Okay, 5% of the video is ready. Alright, 6%, 7%. Alright, so I'm not going to count down, so I will show you the final result. Okay, so finally guys, our video is ready, so let's play the video.
In a galaxy not so far away, Futurama's new season is facing a digital dilemma. Trying to blend NFTs and AI with humor, the struggle is real. Can Bender's wit crack the code of making blockchain jokes funny? Will Leela's sass navigate the complexities of artificial intelligence humor? As the crew ventures into uncharted comedic territory, will they emerge victorious or glitch out? Stay tuned as Futurama boldly goes where no animated series has gone before.
Alright guys, if you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries, please comment below. So I will come back with another new tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, tada, bye bye.